Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to refund in Shopify. So simply now if you want to refund, just open the orders. So now you can see currently I don't have any available order here. So just I'm going to draft, and now here you can see this is the draft order folder. So in order to refund, you will find the option here, and you have to buy the premium package for this option. So currently I don't have premium package, so you can easily see this is the draft folder of order. So you can easily find the refund option here, like in the top menu, like this one. So just when you click on refund, so in this way you can easily refund in Shopify.